What's up, Top Rivers? Welcome back to another video. We are back at Sousa's Auto Spa. Welcome to episode 4, I guess. And just wanted to give you all a little bit of update. So the car is going to take another 4 days to get ready. Today is Thursday, so it's been, I think, almost a week. And it's been a week, I guess. And all the mechanicals, apart from the left side rear window, are finished. So that is left, and the body work. So today I have come here to inquire how much longer it's going to take, because now I really need the car, and as I had said earlier, it's my daily. I cannot just let it sit around and let them take their time also. So today I came and told them that I need you all to fast track the process. They're still saying it's going to take another 4 days, 5 days. Of course, I want to get the work done properly, but again, I need the car also, right? So another 4-5 days, that means max I'm expecting the car to be ready by Monday. I have work on my Slavia as well, so I thought I'll just update you all. So there's our Slavia. Basically, what all needs to be done, let me just show you. So the alloys need to be repainted, because the color, as you can see, let me show you, see it's coming off now. So I'll be giving the Slavia also very soon to touch up the alloy wheels, and of course the chrome elements need to be darkened again, because they will lose color, because chrome, it's such a material, paint doesn't stick to it, right? So that needs to be dechromed again. And do you want me to dechrome the logo? Let me know in the comments if you want me to dechrome the logo of the Slavia as well, dechrome these things as well. I'm not going to mess with the door handles, let them be the way they are. So I'm going to keep that as it is. Yeah, I'm going to get this portion painted again, the spoiler, because you see, I don't know what happened here. The paint is getting, I don't know what happened here. This area is puffed out. So I'm going to get this repainted. And apart from that, there's a lot of interior work I want to get done. Maybe y'all can give me some suggestions as to what's going to look good. Like, do you want me to do a Monte Carlo finish with this, black out the beige elements on the dash, and get some Alcantara or leather on the dash? If I would really like your suggestions on that. I'm thinking I'll finish this in red like you get in the Monte Carlo. So I'm open for suggestions, and of course a lot more things that we'll keep doing over the years with our cars, and I'll keep sharing it with you all. But anyway, your suggestions are welcome. Now let's not delay, let us get to the Rapid now. Okay, these are some things in my mind for the Slavia, but I'm open to suggestions. So let's get to the Rapid. Let me show you what's going on. Check it out, the OG Vento TDI is also here. So let me show you the Rapid, what the status is. There you go, even the fuel cap, they've removed the fuel cap, and it's very dirty right now. The rear lights are not here, and the keys on top. The bumper is right over there, the front bumper, as you can see. And check it out, the bumper is like open. The engine, all the mechanical work in this area is over. The ABS, sensors have been replaced. The fluids have been changed. I've changed the gear oil also, so yeah, all that is done. And let me get to the other side. The fuel lid nahi hai. And let me show you. So yeah, alloys will also be polished, and check it out, they've pulled out all the dents with the dent puller, which I shared in the previous episode. Yeah, I came to the workshop to understand like how long it's going to take, and now mero ghar pe gaali mil raha yaar. We need the car, because office and factory aana thoda sa wo ho ja raha hai, mushkil ho ja raha hai. But anyway, see, the running board is also fixed, as you guys can see. Check it out. And the interior is also like pretty dusty and dirty. See it from your own eyes. Thud. sounds so good. Yeah, so yeah, this was my company sticker. So we're getting all this removed. Okay, we're gonna not apply any more stickers. लगा दिया था यहाँ पे sticker भी. So we'll get all that removed, and the car will of course be painted and everything, and polished from the exterior, and de-chromed. The grill will be de-chromed, of course. वो वाला दिखा दे दो आप लोग को. So this is the heat chamber basically. The car will go in. They'll paint it and everything inside only, and so this portion of the grill here you can see. This is going to be de-chromed, of course. This is the only element that I'm de-chroming. That's it. Alright. And ये जो आप देख रहे हो ना, this is a sticker. They have removed the number plate, original one. This is the sticker. This has been there since the day of the delivery of my car. मैंने हटाया ही नहीं, मैं भूल ही गया, और इसी के ऊपर they applied the number plate. So yeah, so you can see everything now. You get an idea. So now you have an idea as to where our Rapid is, what the progress is, and we're going to do a lot more things. Change the air filter, maybe mod it a little bit mechanically. You can let me know. You can give me suggestions in the comment section. First thing I'll do is change the air filter. Maybe change it to a performance, of course, a performance air filter, K&N or BMC. You can let me know in the comments. You can, of course, your suggestions are always welcome, and I'll try to bring it to life for sure. What else can we do with our cars? Do let me know in the comments section. And yeah, this is what the status is right now. So far, I'm just so eager. I mean, I cannot wait for the delivery. I can't wait for 4-5 days anymore. I just want it urgently, but I want the work also to get done properly. Because if you try to, push them like, do it, I really want the car, it's urgent and stuff like that, I fast track the process. So they'll just not do it also properly, right? They've got a lot of cars. But of course, you can't just keep it lingering. Also, you need to be on their heads as well, so that they fast track the process as much as possible. And the work also comes out, work is also done properly. So yeah, I'm really excited to share the excitement with you all when the car is ready and when we get delivery of it as well. So what are your thoughts though? Do let me know in the comments section, and of course your feedback and suggestions are always appreciated. And if you all are wondering walk around videos are not coming and all that, don't worry, they will also be coming soon to our channel. We already did the walk around of the XUV 7XO AX7. I'll place the link. You can check that out and understand whether that variant suits your needs or not. So walk arounds and test drive reviews will also come back to our channel very soon. Due to some circumstances, I had to take a break for a while, and now I'm back. So don't worry about that. Those videos will also come back soon on our channel. Lots more ownership reviews, lots more test drive reviews will also come back to our channel. So stay tuned for a lot more exciting content on Turbo Rev, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. Subscribe, share the videos as much as possible, like it, and of course press that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And this is what it is. Thank you so much for joining me. Being at the workshop makes me feel like I'm already home. I just love seeing all these cars being worked upon, and I'm sure you do too as well. But anyway, this is what it is. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, drive safe. Bye bye.